Hey buddy, you seem really comfortable here. Have you always lived in this cozy home?
Oh, Pelusin, if you only knew the journey I've been through before coming here. I used to have a family, but one day I slipped outside, and I couldn't find my way back. I wandered for days, hungry, cold, and scared. I had to run from bigger animals, dodge cars, and survive on scraps. Every night I curled up under a bench thinking I wouldn't make it to the morning. Then one day a kind human found me, fed me, and brought me to this safe home. Now I have warm beds, food, and love. But I never forget what it was like to be lost. You see, Pelusin, the world outside may seem fun, but for us pets, it's full of dangers. We don't understand the risks of streets, traffic, and hunger. That's why our humans need to keep us safe with fences, catios, and secure enclosures. So no pet ever has to go through what I did.
You're right, we're lucky our home has safety barriers. But what about other pets?
That's where HomePipo can help. They offer custom fences, enclosures, and safety solutions for pets, ensuring they stay protected at home. No pet should have to survive alone.